In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Shortcuts and Accessibility. Now, you need to scroll again, this time to choose Simple Mode. Here where it gets interesting, you can tap on Classic and tap on Enter Simple Mode if you prefer the older version. Then after a few seconds it will launch, and this is how it looks like. If you wanna go back, tap on Settings again and choose Exit Simple View. Or if you want to try the new version, click on it before applying. Hit Enter Simple Mode and wait again. This is the newest one. If you want to go back, you can tap on Settings and choose Exit Simple Mode. This time you need to confirm your choice by hitting Exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!